All right, let's talk about inquiries because a lot of clients have questions and you may even be saying, are you going to go after my inquiries? If it's an unauthorized credit inquiry, a hard inquiry, and you're looking at your credit report and you have no idea what entity it was, you didn't authorize the credit pull, sure, I can go after, my credit guy can go after those inaccuracies and get them removed from the credit report. Let me educate you a little bit though. A hard inquiry is not the credit killer that most people think it is. You're typically talking about anywhere from 0 to 3 points, depending on how many times your credit has been pulled in that same industry in the last 30 to 45 days. So they're not as big of a deal as most people think they are. But if you have us go after an inquiry that you did authorize, what that is going to a lot of times do is trigger a fraud investigation against the good person who was just trying to help you get financed. So all of a sudden, the guy that you bought your car through last month that you loved, you guys talked about your kids together, is getting investigated for a fraudulent inquiry on your credit report. So only if you truly disagree with inquiries should we go after those. We can get those removed, no problem if they're wrong, but if they're right, let's just leave them alone and work on the things that are wrong and other ways to build your credit up.